Alright, tonight we are going to be making a really easy weeknight pot pie. Now, to me, there's nothing better than a pot pie, and tonight I will be flying solo because Heather is working. But we want to make sure she had a good dinner, so that's what we're going to make for her. Now we're going to top these with Cheddar Bay biscuits. So let's go ahead and get that part made first, and then we'll show you how to make the stuffing. I'm going to start with just a box of Cheddar Bay biscuits. Keep your seasoning packet though, because we're going to need it later. Then we're going to just take biscuit mix, make a mess, throw it in the bowl. Mix it with half a cup of cheese. Now, ideally you use cheddar, but if you don't have cheddar, use what you have. And then 3/4 cup of milk. I can tell you that if she was here doing this, she would have reversed the order, and she would have mixed the milk in first, then put the cheese, but it's okay. Guys, you can do this easily. It's not a problem. Okay. Let's whisk it up. Next, we're going to take this very hot burner we had setting over here heating up. We're going to put a very large pan on it, followed by 2 tablespoons of butter, mushrooms, potatoes, and some frozen vegetables. Here, I'm not going to worry about that. Roll in vegetables, ready to frozen vegetables, mushrooms, and we're doing a can of diced potatoes. This is going to take about 4 to 5 minutes to heat up. As you're cooking this, what you're really doing here is you're just heating the vegetables and cooking the vegetables. When you put it in the oven, you're going to be more cooking the top. So don't think that you could just leave your vegetables cold here, throw it in the oven and get what you need in 20 minutes, because that's not going to happen. All right, that liquid in there is starting to boil. Some of you may not appreciate this, but for me, just putting my finger on top of it gives me a good idea of where I'm at in the process. Feel free, be fancy, use a thermometer if you wish. See that boil starting to happen? Get some steam coming off of it. There's a little bit of liquid in here from the frozen vegetables and the potatoes, which I did drain the potatoes before I threw them in. All right, now that they got those going, I'm going to throw in a little bit of poultry seasoning. This is about 2.5 teaspoons. Make that all nice and mixed up. And then you're going to put in 4 tablespoons of flour. It's going to be your thickening agent. It's your nice thick pie sauce. Let's mix that in. You got to be careful to get it all mixed. You don't want any lumps to form. Just get it over your vegetables. Now, you want to start adding slowly your heavy cream. Of course, that is going to mix with that flour and thicken up. And on top of that, you want to add your chicken. Now this is 2 chicken breasts. These are just some boiled chicken that we had from a previous recipe. This is going to be a very chickeny pot pie.
Something smells good in here.
And you know, I was trying to surprise you with dinner. Fortunately, this doesn't take long. It's almost ready to go into the oven.
Oh, you added some mushrooms in there.
I added mushrooms and potatoes and just a few vegetables.
Okay.
So now we're just going to prepare this and put it in.
Yeah, I turned it.
Put it in our pan. So you're just going to spray that on. Okay. Now as this cooks, and to help give it some more liquid, we are going to put about 1.5 cups to 2 cups of chicken broth in here as well. It's going to keep it from getting too dry. Okay, it took a little time, so we're going to remove this from the heat and set it aside. And in goes your filling. Make sure you get all of that juice out, just like that. You don't want everything concentrated in just the center, just the corners. Then you're just going to spoon that right on top. Try to get as much of that top covered. This isn't a work of art. You don't have to be perfect about it.
Because all this is going to spread. This is kind of like the other one that we made last year.
That was the chicken cobbler.
Yeah, the chicken cobbler.
This is a Cheddar Bay biscuit pot pie, chicken pot pie. And if you haven't seen that video, I'll try to link it at the end of this one, or just go out and search our YouTube homepage.
And this is not very pretty right now, but I bet you when this makes that crust, and we've got biscuit crust, it will be really pretty. This is just gonna spread, but I'm gonna help it out a little bit. All right.
So we're gonna put this into the oven.
And I'm gonna go watch some TV.
Bake this at 375 for about 20 minutes. All right, so that pot pie is about to come out of the oven. And as it finishes up, we're gonna mix basically the butter and herb spread that goes with it. This is a 2 to 3 tablespoons of butter. And then this is the seasoning packet. Put that in there. Mix it up. Try not to make a mess like I am. I'm gonna set that aside. We're gonna get our pot pie. And here's that pot pie. That looks really good. So now just take your mixture here, and we're just going to use a nice silicone brush and brush it over the top of our biscuits, just like that. Okay, give that a minute or two, a couple minutes to cool off, because as you can see, it is boiling, and your dinner is ready to serve up. Thanks for joining us for this episode. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and watch this video next. It's another excellent video from Ghost Toast Kitchen.